Hi, it's Nadine from Cult of Mac, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Moai nylon strap from Nyloon, which I'm super excited about because they just got new packaging and it's one of our best sellers at the watch store. So let's get right into it. When it comes to unboxing, first impressions are so crucial. That's why I love that this band has such a sleek and simple packaging. It doesn't distract me from Nyloon's distinctive trademark, its vibrant designs and resistant straps. Holding it for the first time, I can tell Nyloon knows what they're doing. Their ballistic grade nylon material feels soft and lightweight, yet impressively durable. Not far from its original predecessor, the NATO straps, created by the British Ministry of Defence in 1973, which were built to withstand combat. Nyloon's cool, contemporary nylon watch straps echo those early versions while breathing new life into the Apple Watch game. Its light, comfortable, and breathable strap is built to withstand adverse weather conditions without compromising your personal style and flair. Although its wearability and rich colors initially drew me in, my favorite thing about this strap is a hand-stitched pattern. I really feel like I'm wearing a special piece made just for me. Not to mention the intricate stitching complements its sleek steel adapters and buckle. Alright, so that's all I have today for the Moai nylon watch band. But if you liked it, make sure to go check it out at our watch store. We have it available with the silver buckle, but also comes in black. And it's $39.95 at our watch store. We have a lot of other nylon bands available there too, so make sure to go check them out. Thank you.